Best budget drones. Are you looking for the best budget drones? In this video we will look at some of the best budget drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ryze Tello. Drone with camera, 2K HD FPV drone with brushless motor, altitude hold, gesture selfie, 1 key takeoff/landing, 3D flips, waypoint fly, 2 batteries, foldable mini drones for kids and beginners, Blynray X60, black. Take your aerial adventures to the next level with the Blynray X60 drone, designed for kids, beginners, and hobbyists alike. Equipped with a 2K HD FPV camera, this foldable mini drone lets you capture stunning photos and smooth videos from breathtaking angles. The Wi-Fi real-time transmission ensures you can instantly share your footage with family and friends. Powered by brushless motors, the X60 offers a quieter flight, stronger performance, and longer lifespan compared to traditional drones. With altitude hold and optical flow positioning, the drone maintains stable hovering, making it easier to control for new pilots. Fun features like gesture selfies, 3D flips, and waypoint fly add excitement and creativity to every flight. The 1 key takeoff and landing function makes it simple to operate, while the 2 included batteries provide extended flight times so you can enjoy more flying and less charging. Lightweight yet durable, the foldable design ensures portability, and the carrying case keeps everything organized for travel. Perfect for both kids and adults, the Blynray X60 delivers a safe, fun, and reliable flying experience. Whether you're learning the basics or exploring advanced tricks, this drone is an excellent choice for indoor or outdoor use. Take control, fly with confidence, and capture unforgettable moments with the Blynray X60 2K camera drone. Number 2. Holystone HS440. Holystone HS440 foldable FPV drone with 1080p Wi-Fi camera for adult beginners and kids, voice and gesture control RC quadcopter with modular battery for long flight time, auto hover, carrying case, white. Experience the thrill of flight with the Holystone HS440 foldable FPV drone, a perfect choice for beginners, kids, and adults who want an easy-to-use yet feature-packed quadcopter. Equipped with a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera, this lightweight drone captures crisp aerial photos and videos, while real-time transmission lets you enjoy a first-person view of your flights right on your smartphone. Designed with auto hover and gyroscopic stabilization, the HS440 ensures smooth, steady flying for stress-free operation. Beginners can take off and land effortlessly with the 1 key control function, while voice and gesture commands make flying fun and interactive. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, you'll enjoy creative control and exciting aerial maneuvers. The modular battery provides extended flight time, allowing longer adventures with fewer interruptions. Its foldable design makes it compact and portable, while the included carrying case keeps everything organized and ready to travel. Built with safety and simplicity in mind, the HS440 is lightweight yet durable, giving you peace of mind while learning the ropes. This drone comes with all essential accessories, including spare propellers, USB charging cables, and a user-friendly remote controller, making it ready to fly right out of the box. Whether you're exploring new hobbies, capturing family moments, or just enjoying outdoor fun, the Holystone HS440 drone delivers reliability, creativity, and excitement in one sleek package. Number 3. Potensic Atom SE. Potensic Atom SE GPS drone with 4K EIS camera, under 249G, 62 minutes flight, 4 kilometers FPV transmission, brushless motor, max speed 16 meters per second, auto return, lightweight and foldable drone for adults beginner, gray. Take your aerial photography to new heights with the Potensic Atom SE GPS drone, a compact yet powerful quadcopter designed for beginners and hobbyists. Weighing under 249G, this lightweight drone doesn't require FAA registration, making it the perfect travel companion for on-the-go adventures. Equipped with a 4K EIS, electronic image stabilization, camera, the Atom SE delivers crystal-clear photos and smooth, stable videos, even during dynamic flights. With a 4 km FPV transmission range, you'll enjoy a real-time, immersive flight experience while capturing breathtaking landscapes from above. Powered by brushless motors, the drone offers improved efficiency, quieter operation, and impressive stability, while its maximum speed of 16 meters per second adds excitement for thrill seekers. With GPS-assisted features, such as auto-return, waypoint flying, and intelligent flight modes, you can fly confidently knowing your drone will come back safely. Enjoy up to 62 minutes of total flight time with 2 included modular batteries, 31 minutes each, allowing longer sessions without constant recharging. Its foldable, portable design and included carrying bag make it easy to take anywhere, while spare propellers and accessories keep you prepared for extended use. Beginner-friendly yet packed with advanced features, the Potensic Atom SE is the ideal balance of performance, convenience, and reliability. Whether you're exploring scenic landscapes, creating travel videos, or simply enjoying the thrill of flight, this drone is designed to elevate your aerial adventures. Number 4. DJI Mini 2 SE. DJI Mini 4K, drone with 4K UHD camera for adults, under $249G, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, 10 km video transmission, auto-return, wind resistance, 1 battery for 31-minute max flight time, intelligent flight, gray. The DJI Mini 4K is a lightweight, powerful, and beginner-friendly drone designed to make aerial photography accessible to everyone. Weighing under 249G, it's regulation-friendly and easy to carry, so you can take it with you anywhere without the hassle of registration in many regions. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera on a 3-axis gimbal, the Mini 4K captures smooth, stabilized footage and detailed stills that bring your aerial shots to life. With 10 km HD video transmission, you'll enjoy a clear, real-time view of your flight, giving you the confidence to explore farther with stable connections. The drone offers up to 31 minutes of flight time on a single battery, allowing extended sessions for capturing landscapes, travel memories, and creative projects. Intelligent flight features such as auto-return to home, precise hovering, and simple one-tap controls make it easy for beginners to fly while still offering advanced tools for experienced pilots. Built to withstand breezy conditions, the DJI Mini 4K has level 5 wind resistance, 38 km per hour, ensuring stable performance even outdoors. Its compact, foldable design makes storage and transport effortless, while included accessories, such as the RCN1 remote controller, cables, propellers, and carrying tools, mean you're ready to fly right out of the box. Perfect for beginners and hobbyists, the DJI Mini 4K is your gateway to stunning aerial adventures, combining portability, intelligent features, and high-quality imaging in one sleek package. Number 5. Ruko F11GIM2. Ruko F11GIM2 drone with camera for adults 4K, 64 minutes flight time, gimbal and EIS 4K camera, 5 km digital video transmission, GPS auto-return professional quadcopter, level 6 wind resistance, black. Discover professional-grade aerial photography with the Ruko F11GIM2 drone, designed for adults who want power, precision, and reliability in one advanced quadcopter. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera featuring 2-axis gimbal stabilization and EIS, electronic image stabilization, this drone delivers crystal-clear images and smooth, cinematic video even during dynamic flights. Enjoy up to 64 minutes of total flight time with the included 2 intelligent modular batteries, each offering approximately 32 minutes per charge. The 5 km digital video transmission ensures long-range, real-time viewing with minimal lag, so you can explore farther and capture more stunning perspectives. With GPS-assisted intelligent flight modes, such as auto-return, follow me, waypoint flying, and orbit mode, flying becomes easier, smarter, and safer. The one-button return and auto-landing functions provide peace of mind, while advanced Level 6 wind resistance keeps your drone stable in strong outdoor conditions. The foldable, portable design makes it convenient to carry in the included carrying case, while the powerful brushless motors enhance durability, efficiency, and quieter performance. Additional features like FPV live transmission, long-distance control, and precise hovering add to its professional-grade capabilities. Perfect for beginners learning the ropes and experienced pilots seeking advanced performance, the Ruko F11GIM2 drone is ideal for capturing travel moments, scenic landscapes, or creative aerial projects. Elevate your flights with this high-performance quadcopter built for reliability, stability, and stunning visuals.